Vivek Srivastava, I want to understand. Okay, you are saying the party has to decide. Is Shashi Tharoor not a congressman? Is Manish Tiwari not a congressman? Is Anand Sharma not a congressman? Is Salman Khurshid not a congressman? Have these people not enjoyed? Shashi Tharoor even today is right now sitting in the standing committee as chairman of the standing committee on external affairs. Why is he there if the Congress cannot send him for external affairs issues?
मैडम सुन लीजिए
ना क्या सुन लूं?
अब आप सुन लीजिए प्लीज लेट मी स्पीक। बड़ी साफ सी बात है, पार्टी फर्स्ट, जैसे आप कहते हैं
नेशन फर्स्ट माय डियर, दिस इज द problem. Well, QED, ladies and gentlemen, viewers, this was important, and can we just take the bite of Vivek Srivastava and do it in the loop thrice? Party first, not nation first. This has been exposed on the News Hour tonight, and Sushant Sareen, QED, do I need to add party is being kept first. Politics of the party is being kept ahead of interest of the nation. So what will you call these people?
को प्ले करिए जरा।
हाँ, मैं करूंगी, बिल्कुल करूंगी।
Play my bite.
I will, sir.
Play my bite.
Giving it to you, sir, it has to be edited. Like you edited the bite of Jai Shankar, I will have to edit your bite and bring it back. Hold on, Sushant Sareen. In the meanwhile.
No, show me my bite.
I will show you ना, चिल्लाने से नहीं होगा.
Just like nation first.
By the time Sushant Sareen completes his point, I will replay it for you. Vivek Srivastava, have a glass of cold water. Come on.
Either you should be stated, otherwise he keeps heckling me.
इस्लामाबाद पे कब्जा हो गया.
आप चाइना पे करो ना.
एक मिनट नाविका, हाँ विवेक, और बोलो. बोलो. शुरू कर लो ना यार अपना. यू लव
आप करते हो, वो देशद्रोह है. क्या है देशद्रोह?
जी को गुस्सा मत दिलाओ.
कांग्रेस देशद्रोही, राहुल देशद्रोही, कम्युनिस्ट देशद्रोही, समाजवादी पार्टी देशद्रोही, एक भाजपा देशभक्त. ये तरीका है कोई?
नहीं, और बोलो.
इंदिरा गांधी देशद्रोही, ये बैठा हुआ शहजाद पूना वाला है ना, ये बैठा हुआ शहजाद पूना वाला कहता है इंदिरा गांधी.
आप जयशंकर को बोल दो तो ठीक है, और हम फैक्ट प्रेजेंट करें तो आपके पेट में आ. चलिए, ओके, मैं प्रूव करता हूं.
और बोलो.
जयशंकर की वजह से
मैं प्रूव करता हूं.
एक मिनट, नो, सुशांत
आतंकवादियों को वार्निंग मिली, भागे आतंकवादी.
अच्छा, ऑल राइट. अच्छा, ओके, विवेक श्रीवास्तव, तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी, आराम से. you'll have health issues, please. Sushant Sareen.
I'm absolutely fit and fine.
Good. Happy to know that.
I don't know. I don't know he was attached to my hip when he was born. But the moment I start opening my mouth, his mouth opens up. I don't know what I'm doing to him. So, no, really. Okay, so Navika, one. For Communist Party has always come first. Their loyalty has always been to the party, and they think maybe for other parties and other people it's also the same. So I'm not surprised that Vivek Srivastava has said what he has said. Number two, my belief is that people who are going to go in these delegations outside India are representing the country. They're not representing their parties. Okay, and I think Anand asked a very valid question that some of the most articulate people in the Congress party, for example, have been picked up. People like Manish Tiwari, people like Shashi Tharoor, they are not BJP guys. They have gone hammer and tongs at BJP on multiple occasions, or in fact on every occasion. But for some reason, because they are not going against because they are not mouthing the kind of despicable things that have come out of Pawan Khera's mouth, maybe they are unacceptable.
Who decides the cabinet? Who decides the cabinet is the Prime Minister. So let the parties decide whom they want to send.
यार नाविका, ये तो कोई तरीका नहीं है यार. मेरे को
lowering your fader, Vivek Srivastava. You are interrupting him. Make your point, Sushant.
Vivek का कमर.
Because this is what the communist culture is. You know, they can't handle any debate. They will have to interfere. Because I don't know, something happens to them. So I really can't figure this out. Now, a couple of things, Navika. One, there's a cricket match taking place between India and Pakistan. Okay, the Pakistanis score maybe 100 runs. The Indians thram them in 4 overs. Okay, in precisely 4 overs, we thram them. But Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma get out. Now, nobody is celebrating the Indian win, but these communists and these Congressies are saying, why did Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli get out? Assuming they got out. Now, what is this logic? What are the kind of things these guys are even looking at? It's mind-boggling. Secondly, this whole business of IMF. Why was the IMF loan given? Yeah, the IMF loan has been there in the pipeline for over a year. This is the second tranche which has been given. Why don't you guys read up something? Read up how the IMF distributes loans, on what basis it distributes loan. At least for the first time, the Indians put their foot down and are now working overtime to deny them whatever they can get. And look at the kind of conditions that the IMF has now put on the Pakistanis. Imagine those conditions being put on any sovereign country. These Pakistanis keep going up and down.
But details is not what they really want to get in. And let me, Vivek Srivastava, you wanted to hear yourself? Please hear yourself. I'm playing out your own soundbite. I'm playing out. Now you hold on. Don't show me a finger. Hold on. Listen in.
Arey, the party is bigger than the person. पार्टी मेंबर से बड़ी होती है भाई साहब, बिकॉज द पार्टी इज बिगर देन थरूर. अरे द पार्टी इज बिगर देन द पर्सन. पार्टी मेंबर से बड़ी होती है भाई साहब, बिकॉज द पार्टी इज बिगर देन थरूर. अरे द पार्टी इज बिगर देन द पर्सन.
We are talking about the nation. You are saying the party is bigger. The party is bigger. We are talking about the nation representing India's point of view in the world. Now, 1 minute. People are asking questions. Ashish Khurana, these parties present clipped videos to harm Bharat. Ajit asking the question, will Congress's desperation lead to another Bangladesh in India? Abhishek, in a war, who asks for losses of our own nation? Varun, the question is that is being asked for. Is Congress ready to betray Bharat? These are the questions coming from the citizens of India. Shehzad.
Vivek ji, just 20-30 seconds. जिस प्रकार से विवेक जी was tempting his fate with Sushant Sareen, मुझे लगा कमर चीमा वाला बॉम्ब कहीं लैंड ना हो जाए, but thank God Sushant Sareen did not escalate the matter, quote unquote. But having said that, 3 small points. Sir, Mr. Vivek ji, you're a good friend of mine. Tharoor ji was taking the nation stand. And then when you say that the party stand, which is to question the Indian version and to bat for the Chinese goods and to say that India ka ye down ho gaya, wo down ho gaya, when it has been said Indian assets have not been affected, then it is putting party above nation. Point number 1. Plus, sir, 10 seconds. 10 seconds more. Sir, 10 seconds. Now you are a great nationalist. You are my friend. Sir, you're not a nationalist. You're not a nationalist. अच्छा सुन लीजिए ना, Vivek ji, I'm not interrupting. Vivek, there's no time.
I'm short of time. I'm going
Vivek ji,
to
very important, please. 20 seconds.
Vivek ji, 20 seconds. No, now 10.
5 seconds. Okay. Vivek ji, if somebody says कि army and navy should be disbanded, he's a traitor, no? Here, yes. Suno.
India's laborers, India's farmers, India's workers. You will not need the army, navy and air force.
Rahul Gandhi says we don't need army, navy, air force.
What?
And by the way, lastly, Ghanshyam ji, JP Narayan was called traitor by Indira Gandhi's party.